Bicep dumbbell curls. Ano nga ba ang mas effective? Yung alternate dumbbell curls or yung sabay or simultaneous dumbbell curls? If ginagawa mo to ng sabay, there's more time under tension. So both bicep works continuously, increasing metabolic stress. Mas efficient din siya kasi you can save time by working both arms at once. There's less chance of cheating din kasi there's no momentum from alternating arms, making it streaker. For alternating dumbbell curls naman, there's more focus on each arm. Better mind-muscle connection then, allowing you to concentrate on each bicep contraction. More core engagement din kasi your torso has to stabilize more, especially if you do them standing. So ano nga bang mas effective sa dalawa? If your goal is maximum bicep engagement and focus, go for alternating curls. If you want more pump and time under tension, pagsabayin mo na. You can also switch between both if you want to get the best results.